Oh yeah. Yo, what's up y'all? We're back here on the channel at the garage, and we're about to do some deconstruction and reconstruction on the 3valve swap fox. So let me show you where we're at. So we got the front bumper off. We're gonna eventually get the front bumper support on. Well, the tubular front bumper support. This one's the factory bumper support. Right now, as you can see, we're draining the fluid because, yep, we're pulling this all out. Motor, trans, K-member, and we got some stuff we gotta fix and reroute, clean up, do some little odds and ends. But we're back at it on the 3valve swap. This is what it's looking like behind here. The new edge 5-lug swap up front. I would like to get some better struts. You can see the K-member spacers, the oversprayed. I think they're H&R springs, lowering springs that I cut, and I think I cut them a little bit too much because it lowered the car a little bit. This is where the 3valve computer's at. This computer came with the control pack kit that I got back in the day. And there's the relay box. We'll probably leave it there. I haven't decided yet if I wanted to smooth out all these holes. While I'm in there, I gotta fix the strut towers. And you can kind of see we fixed this outside one already, and I'm gonna redo it though. I'm gonna make it so you don't even notice that I did it. Rerouted that one brake line because it was close to the headers. So yeah, I did this swap a few years ago, and I'm still at it, doing stuff to it. Haven't got the back bumper on yet. Buddy hasn't gave me the bracket, but I might just put it back on anyway. And that's what the rear tubular support is. Showed in a previous video, it dropped about 40-ish pounds off the rear end. We'll weigh this one too. I think I got a video I weighed it on my Coyote swap fox when I did it. I think this front one weighs almost 25-ish pounds or so. So this is what it's looking like right now before I start taking the rest of it all apart and get it going. As you can see, it has a homemade paint job on it I did in the garage. And we got the front bumper in here that I had to repaint. It doesn't really match it perfectly because the paint started peeling off because I had it sitting outside for a few years under a cover. But this is where I'm at with it. Yep, I don't have a lift here, so we got to do this on jack stands. And it's about to start raining here. So I wanted to give you a little update of what we got going on the channel, what we're doing with the vert 3valve swap fox. Hope you keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching what I got going on, and till them next videos, peace.